First order came in immediately. This is McDonald's, $9 going 4 miles. Thank you. I'm assuming it's right here. This next order isn't the greatest, but it came in right away and I want to keep moving. This is for Seize the Bagel. This is $8.75 going 5 miles. Thank you. This order is kind of meh, but again, let's just try to keep moving today. This is Sherry's, $8 and some change going 5 miles. I guess it is not too busy yet, but it's not going to be ready for me either. Yeah, for Dawn.
All right.
Thank you. Now, if that ain't one of the best feelings, I don't know what is. I love when it's just sitting there waiting for me. Looks like we're going back to Sherry's. This one's gonna be $8 going 5 miles. Hopefully I get lucky again and this order is just sitting there waiting for me again. Ooh, as soon as I pulled up to the restaurant, I got this Jack in the Box order, which is so much better. Thank you. You too. Meet at door. Come on, man. Why you gotta ruin a good thing? Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $12 and some change going 6 miles. 3 items. There you go. Thank you. Yep.
Remember to take your seat.
Thank you. Have a good day. You too. I could not have gotten this order at a better time because I got it like 20 feet before I got to the entrance. Luckily, I saw the order details and accepted it because it's looking like it's going to be a good one. This is $9 and some change going about 4 miles.
Good morning.
Morning. Here you are.
All right, thanks, buddy.
Yep.
Have you tried this place?
No, but I've been meaning to. I'm super into like breakfast food, so.
Yeah, the chicken and waffles.
Are there? Might swing back.
Telling me about it.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised you gotta come back here in a little bit.
Right. This next order I might be regretting because it's not that great to begin with. And it has the potential of making me wait forever. So I might be unassigning. We'll see what happens. This is Kitchen Table Cafe, $7 going 4 miles. I can get you right back. Yeah, that was not going to be ready anytime soon, I can already tell. So, swiped me up a candy, and I got a McDonald's order. This is going to be $8.25 going 4 miles. Yeah, 116.
Yeah, these 2 bags.
Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's going to be $9.75, going 3 miles, only 1 item. Hello.
Oh, hey.
And just scribble on that line for me. Looks like we're going back to the liquor store. This is going to be $12 going 5 miles. I'm actually not sure if this is a shop and deliver or if I'm just picking it up. I can't really tell. My app is being weird.
Morning.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
You too. Then just scribble in that square for me. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This is going to be $9 going 2.5 miles. Excuse me. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. Looks like we've got a Starbucks and a Taco Bell. $12 and some change going 4 miles.
Here's that for your hand straws are in the bag.
Of course, it's upstairs. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $10.25 going less than 6 miles, only 1 item. And just scribble on that line for me. All right, let's go home. Current time is 11:31. Current total is 117, and I have, I think, 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so probably close to 125. I was consistently busy for most of the day, so the day went by pretty quickly for me. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.